Hello everybody and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to this first vlog episode for 2019. The group that we're going to be focusing on today is the small and medium-sized business owners that are looking to invest in equipment this year that is going to allow their business to grow. The North American economy is very strong right now, and with large federal investments available to business owners, 2019 is poised to be a fantastic year for the manufacturing sector. Among many other things, if you're looking to produce greater volumes of your moldings, produce higher quality face frame material, perhaps try getting into manufacturing of flooring, standard tongue and groove or engineered, or perhaps bring your door style and rail production in-house to help bring down your overall costs, then I would strongly encourage you to take a look at the Smartmac series of molder. These units are always in stock and available for quick delivery. We offer them in 4 and 5 head configurations, as well as both 7 and 9 inch width capacities. They come with 40mm spindles at 6,000 RPMs. This unit will run between 20 and 85 feet per minute. It also comes standard with a set of stock tooling, where your first bottom head is a helical spiral planing head, and the balance of the tooling is 4-pocket dual angle tooling. The Smartmac series of molders is versatile and user-friendly. Also, it hits a perfect price point in the market. So, if you're looking to grow your small or medium-sized business this year, please feel free to reach out to me directly and I'll make this happen for you. You can get a hold of me by email at davidr@leadermacusa.com or by phone at 905-362-3766. Lastly, depending on which social media platform you're viewing this vlog on today, please check the links below for all of the corresponding equipment links and contact information. Thanks again for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in future vlog episodes.